Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 CBSE syllabus 6th chapter triangles. Exercise 6.5 8th sum. In the given figure. So the figure is given. In the given figure O is a point in the interior of a triangle. There is a point O in the interior of a triangle ABC. So here we have ABC. In this OD is perpendicular to BC. So here OD is perpendicular to BC. OE perpendicular to AC. OE perpendicular to AC and OF perpendicular to AB and OF perpendicular to AB. Show that. So this is the figure given. Show that OA square, two things we are asked to prove, that we will prove with the help of the given figure. OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. Then the same way AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Even though the question is very confusing, for doing this sum it is very simple. For getting the result, we will extend this line. We will extend all the perpendicular lines on all the sides. That is, these like this, we will join the lines. Okay, so here like this we will get, since it is a straight line like this, we will get it like this. This is perpendicular. Same way here also we will get like that. Perpendicular line AF. Okay, since see here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 small triangles we are getting inside this. All the triangles are right angle triangles. Since OD is perpendicular to BC, here we get a right angle. So ODC is a right angle triangle. Same way the other triangles also. OCE is a right angle triangle. OEA, then OAF, then OFB. So all these are then BOD. So all these 6 triangles are right angle triangles. So since it is right angle triangles, we will use Pythagoras theorem. So with the help of the Pythagoras theorem, we will prove the result. Okay. So first proof we will give. First we will take, here we need AF squared plus BD squared plus CE squared we need. So AF is here, this side is AF. So we will take this triangle. Triangle AFO. So in triangle AFO. In triangle AFO. So this is right angle. Since this is right angle, opposite to that will be the hypotenuse. So we will get hypotenuse squared. That is OA squared is equal to hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. That is AF squared plus OF squared. This is the theorem, Pythagoras theorem. That is hypotenuse squared. So OA is the hypotenuse here. So OA squared is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. AF squared plus OF squared. So we need AF squared. So we will bring that AF, that is OF squared, we will bring it to the other side. So we will get AF squared is equal to OA squared minus OF squared. So we will take this as the first equation. So the same procedure we will be doing for BD squared and CE squared, that triangle also. Okay, accordingly, what is the necessary result? Accordingly, we will take the triangles. So next triangle is in triangle BDO. In triangle BDO. So BDO triangle, OB is the hypotenuse square. So OB square is equal to BD square plus OD square. So we need BD square. So BD squared is equal to OB squared minus OD squared. So this is the second equation. Same way the other triangle. Triangle CEO. In triangle CEO, OC squared is equal to OE squared plus CE squared. So we need CE squared, that is equal to OC squared minus OE squared. So that's all. So we got the value for these three squares. AF squared, BD squared, CF squared. AF squared, BD squared, CE squared. So, LHS, if we add the LHS, we will get the result of the RHS here. Okay, LHS, RHS accordingly we will add. So, adding 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we will get AF squared plus BD squared plus CE squared is equal to OA squared minus OF squared plus OB squared minus OD squared plus OC squared minus OE squared. So, we will rearrange this and write OA squared plus OB squared plus OC squared minus OF squared. So, first we have OD squared. So, accordingly we will write OD squared minus OC squared minus OF squared. So, hence proved. So, we have given the result for the first one. First one result we have shown. Okay, then comes the second one. So, for proving this second one, that is also very simple. Here, we got the value for AF squared plus BD squared plus CE squared. AF squared plus BD squared plus CE squared. So, for this result we will combine the RHS value here according to the necessary. Then we will give the RHS value for the second one. That is, if we take this OA if we subtract, that is OA squared this part and OE squared. This is also a right angle triangle. So, in this OA squared minus OE squared. If we take OA squared minus OE squared. Sorry, here it is E. OA squared minus OE squared. Here F should be there. OA and OE if we take, we can write that as AE squared. OA squared minus OE squared. This is also a right angle triangle. So, the same Pythagoras theorem if we take, if we combine that OA squared minus OE squared. If we combine, we can write it as AE squared. So, the same way, the other one also. OB squared here you have. Here we have OB squared minus OF squared. OB squared minus OF squared, we will get BF squared. OB squared minus OF squared. We are combining it. Then the next one is OC squared. Here OC squared minus OD squared. We will get CD squared. So, this is equal to, we will get AE squared plus BF squared plus CD squared. So, this is the result we need for the second one. AE squared plus BF squared plus CD squared. Okay. So, all these things are very simple. So, we are proving this sum with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Thank you.